was terrible. Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you something cool. I'm gonna be doing the 0 to 60 with street tires, and then I'm gonna show you the 0 to 60 with the bias ply tires. Today I'm gonna show you just the 0 to 60 with the street tires using the track apps that have the 0 to 60 timer. That's what we're gonna be using, and see how fast I can do it with no traction. So yeah, this is just for fun. I just want to show you that how hard it is for me to keep that car on the road, because it's not easy. So I'm gonna show you inside the car. You're gonna be able to see the 0 to 60 on the speedometer, and you're gonna see the tachometer. I suck at it, at the tach. Just to show you acceleration, and that's it. Short acceleration. I don't want to go 100 on a street in Mexico. Yeah, let's just hit the road and show you what happened. It took 0 to 60 6.3 seconds. That was awful. I'm gonna have to do it somewhere else too, because this road is terrible too. It's really bad, really bad. So I'm gonna find another road and try it again. Okay, let's do this again. Let's do a 0 to 60. This is another road in Mexico, and we're about to send it when all these cars stop passing me. The first one had the traction control on, so now it's off. Ah, 6.1. It was a little bit faster, not that much. I'm fighting traction too much. I'm not even looking at the tachometer because I have no time. But yeah, it's really terrible for 0 to 60. So next time you're gonna see the 0 to 60 with bias ply tires. So there you have it. It was terrible. On street tires, you've seen the video before where I show you the exhaust clips. Let me show you this right now here. I lose a lot of traction on it. I mean, it's not because I do it on purpose. It's because it happens. It's all the time. But it's a lot of fun. Like I said, it's a lot of fun. 6.3 and 6.1, I think it was the best. For a 641 horsepower car. I mean, it sounds stupid, but it is what it is. I mean, there's no traction. Tomorrow I'm gonna show you the bias plies, and you're gonna see the difference. It's gonna be really good, and it will give you a good reference on what to expect in terms of traction. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, please, and like the video, share it. See you next time, which is gonna be tomorrow. See you later.